Little Bit's new feathers are so soft too. Little Bit, you're so precious. Yes, you are. And I'm wondering if she has more black in her now, or if her white feathers just haven't finished coming in and covering up some of it. I don't know. But she's glowing. Those new feathers. Raven, look at you, gorgeous girl. See, I didn't think she molted, but I swear she looks like she molted a little bit and is growing new feathers. Because she never had like these spots like this. Oh. So y'all are some fabulous little birds, aren't y'all? Yes, we are fabulous.